Bill Morgan exposes SEC flaws in XRP lawsuit. The SEC wants public access to Ripple's financial information to determine how much Ripple should pay if they lose the case. Legal analyst argues the SEC is wrong to group all of Ripple's contracts together. The analyst believes the way Ripple sells XRP through on-demand liquidity ODL contracts is crucial to whether Ripple broke the law. In the seemingly endless battle between the SEC and Ripple, the crypto world holds its breath. A recent twist throws a wrench into the case the SEC fights to expose evidence Ripple desperately wants to keep hidden. What secrets could Ripple be trying to bury? And will the SEC move tip the scales of justice? Welcome back to Crypto Educate channel. Before we dive deep into today's topic, you know your support is important to me. Kindly like my video, share it, subscribe, comment, and please watch to the end. Without any further ado, let's continue from where we stopped. Security Exchange Commission move rejecting Ripple's bid. Legal expert Bill Morgan didn't mince words in criticizing the SEC's latest move. Taking to social media, he not only slammed the SEC stance, but also pinpointed glaring inconsistencies in their arguments, especially regarding Ripple's on-demand liquidity ODO contracts. According to Morgan, the SEC claimed that none of the discounted sales to institutions were ODL contracts was a significant misstep. He clarified that ODL contracts require customers to buy XRP at prevailing market rates, using it in transactions instead of just holding it as an investment. This difference strikes at the core of the SEC argument that Ripple's institutional contracts should be seen as investments. If we look at the upholding transparency, the SEC's rebuttal to Ripple's motion focuses on the principles of public interest and transparency, stressing the historical importance of public access to judicial documents. The SEC cited legal precedents to support its stance. The common law right of public access to judicial documents is firmly rooted in our nation's history. The SEC argued that the financial information Ripple seeks to redact is essential to the court's determination of appropriate remedies. This includes data on Ripple's current assets, sales, revenues, expenses, and investor discounts. Ripple continues pushing back. Ripple's defense, however, faced skepticism from the SEC. The agency dismissed Ripple's arguments as mere speculation lacking substantial evidence. Furthermore, the SEC argued that the financial information Ripple wishes to hide, although outdated, remains relevant to the case's resolution and poses no significant harm if disclosed. All about the ODL contracts. Morgan highlighted how the SEC admitted none of the discounted sales to institutions involved in ADO contracts. This distinction is important because it fits exactly with the SEC's admission that ODL contracts do not have the features that made other institutional buyer contracts investment contracts. As summarized by Judge Torres in the summary judgment, the ODL contracts require ADL customers to purchase XRP at market prices and to use the XRP in ODL transactions and agree not to hold them as investments. It remains a mystery why Judge Torres lumped them in with the other contracts with institutions. 3 billion XRP in 24 hours as price jumps 6%. Here's what happened. XRP skyrockets 6% as 3 billion coins shuffled among traders. The market is in a frenzy today as different indices point to the return of the bull market. Bitcoin soared by more than 7% in a single day to $70,948 at the time of writing, and Ethereum outperformed with an 18.46% surge to $3,664.23, while XRP jumped 6.23% to 54 cents. With the revived market, XRP has recorded a major jump in several of its key metrics, including at the time of writing, the trading volume has jumped by a whopping 121% to $1.6 billion. By this count, it means a total of 3,085,815,960 XRP has been traded in the past 24 hours. This number is quite impressive as it shows that XRP has enough liquidity to serve growing market demand across the biggest exchanges. This access to liquidity is important for XRP's price to get to its long targeted level of around $1. When demand is boosted and there is XRP liquidity to match it, the market's balance is sustained and price action can take its natural course. XRP has benefited from both whale action and Ripple's escrow intervention in recent times. All of these factors have contributed to the sustained resilience in the price of the digital currency. The market was in its long-drawn consolidation phase until the trend shifted yesterday, following news that the approval odds for the spot Ethereum ETF have jumped from 25% to 75%. Without envisaging this 180-degree turnaround, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has now opened communications with key Ethereum ETF applicants in a move that might lead to the approval of the product. Notably, the Ethereum ETF sentiment is driving market sentiment, and XRP is positively riding the wave. XRP breaks out from descending wedge, bulls targeting $0.60 XRP, mirroring the general state of affairs across the crypto scene, is bullish. As the coin rises with the tide, prices have broken above the falling wedge. Most importantly, it is inching closer to the all-important $0.55 5 level, marking April 13th highs. If there is follow-through and prices close above this line for the first time in roughly 2 weeks, prices could rally in line with May 1st and 15 bull bars. Even with the recent expansion, the path of least resistance is still southwards. Even so, there are hints of strength. At spot rates, the coin is up roughly 6% in the last day and week after a period of sideways consolidation. The uptick in trading volume has also seen engagement rise above the $1 billion mark. Should sellers continue to lose grip, trading volume will continue rising as XRP retests and breaks $0.60 zero. As the coin builds from the $0.50 zero level, on-chain data shows that whales are accumulating. Their engagement has seen over 361 million XRP move to strong hands that are unlikely to liquidate. Overall, this is a net positive and might support prices. Ripple, the payments company, has announced a fund to support projects launching on the XRP ledger. The fund will specifically cater to Brazilian developers looking to deploy dApps on the Ethereum competitor. XRP USD prices are steady and in green. While optimism is high, and bulls expect fundamental factors to drive prices, chartists are closing in on opportunities. Since the May 20th bar is bullish and breaking above the descending wedge, every dip above $0.51 won't offer entries for buyers. The first targets will be $0.55, 5 May 6th highs. If there are more gains above these lines, XRP will easily float to $0.66, critical resistance level. Conversely, any dump below $0.46, 6 invalidate this bullish outlook. We are going to stop here for now. Remember, this video isn't financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Thanks for watching my video. See you all in my next video.